As Ralph Waldo Emerson once said, "What lies behind us and what lies before us are tiny matters compared to what lies within us." Today, we're delving into the remarkable power of self-motivation. This internal drive propels us to surmount hurdles and chase our objectives, proving that the real potency for achievement isn't found in external forces but within our very own selves. It's about harnessing the strength that resides in us. Remember, the key to success lies within you, waiting to be unlocked. Now, you might be wondering, how can one improve self-motivation? Well, let's delve into some practical strategies. First off, setting clear goals is paramount. Know what you want and why you want it. This clarity becomes your compass, guiding you towards your ambitions. Then maintaining a positive attitude is crucial, as it allows you to view challenges as opportunities rather than obstacles. Next, practicing self-discipline is a game changer. It's all about training yourself to make choices that align with your goals, even when it's tough. And remember, it's essential to celebrate your small victories. Each step forward, no matter how small, is a stride towards your goals. Above all, perseverance and resilience play a significant role in maintaining motivation. Life will throw curveballs, but your ability to bounce back will keep your motivation engine running. By adopting these strategies, you can fuel your journey towards your goals. So are you ready to boost your self-motivation? Let's quickly recap what we've learned about self-motivation. It's this invaluable force that propels us forward, fueling our dreams and aspirations. We've explored strategies to boost self-motivation, like setting clear goals, embracing positivity, and fostering resilience. These tools are not just theories, but practical steps to unlock our potential. They are the keys to an empowered life. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. So take that step today and unlock the limitless power of self-motivation within you.